Greetings everybody, my name is Antonio Schipani, I'm 26 and I'm a curious and open-minded hydraulic civil engineer. I graduated in March 2016 with full marks and honor, and I also had an Erasmus experience in Santander, Spain. I speak 4 languages: English, Spanish, Italian and German, and after the end of my university studies I gained some working experience as a freelancer and as an hydraulic and civil engineer in a state technical office. I was mainly busy with design, construction supervision, health and safety on construction sites, and I also had some experience on construction sites. At the end of 2017, I was selected by Dirextra for the Master for Professional Engineers in Construction and Oil and Gas sectors, which started in Manchester in February 2018, and so actually I'm currently living there. The main purposes in choosing this master are that I want to improve my skills in big construction projects, and because I want to become a successful manager. So I think that with this master I can have a great opportunity. About myself, that I'm a person really ambitious, determined and flexible. I'm also really motivated to live and work abroad because I'm certain that I can experience particular kinds of professional growth, and because I want to take part in the realization of the biggest projects. So I can offer my professionalism and competence, seriousness and a big willingness to work. Thank you for your attention.